In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize bullets in Canva. Let's get started by opening your design in Canva so you are working right where your text will live. If you haven't added your copy yet, type it out first. Then highlight the text you want to turn into a list, and click the list icon with the dots in the top toolbar. That instantly converts your lines into clean bullet points and keeps everything nicely aligned. Now, if you want your bullets to stand out from the text color, you can change the bullet color independently. Carefully highlight just the bullet symbols at the start of your lines. Think of selecting the dot itself, not the whole sentence, with only those bullets selected. Click the color icon, the one with the letter A, and choose any color you like. This is a great way to reinforce brand colors or establish visual hierarchy without changing the body text. If you want more personality than standard dots, you can use custom icons as bullets. Head to the Elements tab and search for icons that match your theme, such as star or check mark. Click the icon you want to insert it onto the canvas, then resize it small enough to sit neatly to the left of a line of text. Position it in front of your first line. Once you are happy with the size, duplicate the icon and place a copy in front of each line so everything matches. Use the arrow keys to nudge icons precisely and zoom in for finer alignment. This method gives you total control over style while keeping your list clean and consistent. Next, refine readability with spacing. Select your text and click the spacing tool. Adjust the line height to create comfortable breathing room between each bulleted item. A touch more space often makes a list feel more polished and easier to scan. If your icons feel a bit tight against the text, nudge them slightly or adjust spacing until the left edge looks even. Finally, bring your list to life with animation. Select the text and click Animate. Choose an animation style that suits your design and, if available, set it to reveal by line so your bullet points appear one at a time. Tweak the duration and delay so each point lands at a comfortable pace. This is perfect for presentations or social posts where you want to guide attention as you speak. That's it. Thanks for watching.